Alright, another ramble for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the best way to help your environment out. So stay tuned. Now, it's not very hard. Actually, to me, it's really fun. It'll probably grow on you. Healthy, like a healthy new hobby for you guys. So listen up. And it's really easy, guys, so anyone could do it. You just got to have a little bit, couple bucks, and make some time for the planet. So let's begin. Now, I would recommend keeping one hive of bees. Just one. Beekeeping's a fascinating hobby. Everyone should try it out. Very great for the environment. Yeah, if you keep a bunch of beehives, you could, other pollinators will have a hard time finding food, nectar, such as butterflies, bumblebees, mason bees, certain species of wasps, and certain hoverfly species. But, I recommend keeping one, try to keep a low amount, like 1 to 3 hives of bees. I honestly think one's like all right, if you're interested in beekeeping like I am, you know, keep as many beehives as you want, 10, 15. But, you know, if you just want to care about the planet and just want to keep one hive of bees, do it. Because that one hive could split to 2 hives throughout when the colony gets strong. It produces another queen and they swarm and they make another hive in the trees, or you could harvest that other hive and make another box and have 2 beehives. So I recommend keeping a hive of bees. It helps pollinate the trees and the plants, makes them have sex. And overall, it's also food for other animals such as birds and other insect species. I'm going to sit down. My arm's getting tired. I got a pokey in my ass. So keep a hive of bees, guys. It's not very hard. It's only like $120, $130. Save some money, make some time, help your planet out. Keeping one hive of bees really has a big impact on the environment and your neighborhood. It really does. So keep a hive of bees, guys. The next thing I recommend is plant 4 trees. My preference would be fruit trees, like apples, peach tree, or pears. Something those bees could pollinate. If you keep a hive of bees and that tree grows flowers and starts blooming, it's a beautiful thing knowing that your bees are pollinating that tree and in which it will bear fruit for you. It's a beautiful thing. I remember keeping bees. I used to keep bees. My beehive actually died from winter. I have to read up more on it. Oh, there's a bunny up there. But yeah, guys, plant 4 trees. It ain't hard. It doesn't have to be big trees. Get them when they're babies. Or, save a peach tree seed or apple. Save the little seeds and plant it. But actually put some time in it. Actually make it grow. Don't just throw it in the yard and let the dog shit on it. And put a little towel on it. Make sure it grows nice. Trim the excess branches or like the excess leaves and such. So it doesn't even have to be 4 trees. It could just be 1 tree. Just plant something, man. Look at all these trees behind me. They're beautiful. So keep a hive of bees, plant a couple trees, and have a little water resource for those bees. Make like a little pond somewhere in your backyard. It won't only be a water source for bees, it'll be for other insects too, and some species of, birds and such. It's very fascinating to see your bees get water from your water source too. It's just knowing that the colony is thriving and it's going really well. So we got one hive of bees, a couple trees, a water source for the bees. And let's see what else comes up in my head. This is a ramble, guys. I didn't plan any of this video. I'm just rambling. But honestly, this is what I feel is the best way that you could do it, you know? Anyone could do it. If you have a certain amount of land in your backyard, it doesn't take a lot to keep bees. Look on beekeeping, guys. I recommend it. It's a great hobby. And let's see. What can the fourth thing be? I'm sure there's other ways, easy ways to help you plan it out. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got, guys. Read into it. They're great pollinators. Don't kill bees. Don't kill wasps. Don't kill bumblebees. Love the planet. Respect all creatures. I'm not saying to just, if you see a mosquito on you, kill it. But bees, if you guys read on bees, bees are very gentle creatures. They will always try to avoid stinging, unless they're Africanized bees, because they evolved in that certain environment. But they always try to avoid stinging because they know they're going to die when they sting. Yeah, look into it, guys. Love the planet, like I do. I wish I could keep another hive of bees, but my grandpa won't let me. Until I get my own place, I will plant so many trees, keep a lot of beehives. I can't wait for that day to have my own land to, do wonderful things with. Anyway, thanks for staying tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next video.